Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. I hope all are well. In this lecture, I will discuss about the chaining of multiple decorator. It means you have a multiple decorator. Suppose you have a two decorator and you want to add the enhancing the behavior of the your function. So you can use the two decorator. So how we can chain them together and how it works, what is the internal functionality. So I will discuss in this lecture. In previous lecture, I discussed about in more about how can we define the decorator using the at symbol and how we can use the decorator without using the at symbol. We can write the manually like that. And I also discussed the three conditions that is required to consider that is a decorator. It means decorator is a function taking the function as an argument and it wrap with with some extra code to enhance the behavior and returning the new function. That is the three property you must remember this property that will help you to understand the more decorator. So in this lecture, no, I will go deep dive into the both theory as well as the coding part, how we can use a multiple decorator, or why do we go for multiple decorator. So let's start this lecture. So chaining multiple decorator means we are applying a more than one decorator to a single function. Suppose you have a my function, this is your function, and here is a code block. Here is a code block and this is a function and you apply the two decorator step by step. First is the decorator 1, okay, and this is the second decorator. This two decorator you apply over the my function to enhance this function, enhance their functionality and behavior. And you can also visualize this like that. Uh, you can visualize like that. Here is a here is the like my function. Here this function is passed in a decorator 2. It means decorator 2 take my function as argument. The output of this decorator 2 that is passed as a function as an argument in the decorator 1. So this one and this part both are similar. This I also discussed in a previous lecture. If you have not watched, please watch. I discuss in more depth. And but here we add the one more decorator. You can have a multiple decorator. They some decorator do every decorator do some task and some enhancing the behavior of the existing function. Okay, so stacking of multiple decorator on top of each other, like we have done it, decorator 2 and decorator 1. Okay, so why we are doing this? Why we are not chaining the multiple decorator? Why we cannot write all of the like here we have a two decorator. So why we cannot write all of the uh, enhancing the behavior of code function? We can write the function of the decorator to in a decorator 1. We make the only one decorator. We write all of the stuff in the decorator 1. Why we are no using decorator 2? Because we are using to enhance the modular as well as clean programming, because decorator 1 and decorator 2 both are different. We cannot merge together in a single decorator, and it become easier to reuse the decorator. One decorator is for some task, second decorator is for another task. Okay, and it help you compose a functionality, for example, uh, like logging and performance. So so that is the reason behind we are stacking of multiple decorator, because each decorator performs some function, provides some behavior. We cannot club together in a single decorator. Let's move to the VS Code. I will take a example and understand more. So so let's move to the VS Code. So here, yeah. So first I remove this, and here I will write. So I will write to decorator, and here I will write the decorator. First I will write define function decorator, decorator 1. Here I am passing the argument as a function, and here I will write the wrapper. This provide the extra behavior to the existing function, that is func printing. Here I will write the decorator one. Here I will write the before, and same thing I will here I will write the after, and here I will pass the func. Here I will write the return the wrapper. This is a simple decorator that I defined in previous lecture as well. Okay, we pass the function as an argument, and this wrapper function will provide the extra behavior and returning the wrapper function. Okay, I will create the another function decorator 2, that is function, and here I will write define the wrapper. Here I will copy this and write here. Here I will write a decorator 2, and here I will write the decorator 2. Okay, right. Here I will returning the new function, new wrapper function. So let's write the define say hello. Here I will printing something, hello world. Here decorator 1, decorator 2. So you can visualize this thing. First I will run this. Let's see what happen. Say hello. I will call this function. I will explain what is happening. So let's see. So what happened here? First, we have a decorator one, decorator one. We I mentioned the uh, okay. So what happened here? I pass first this decorate to take the say hello as a argument, then pass to here, then it wrap provide the some two print statement that is shown here, decorator 2 and decorator 2, and here is a function. Okay, and this output is passed in a decorator 1, and this also provide two more print statement that is seen here. Okay, this can be written as, yeah, here I will write output, here first it come, okay, first decorator to say hello. So what happened in decorator to take a say hello function, and it return the decorator 2 and hello world and decorator 2. This output is pass over the decorator 1. Okay, that is, multiple decorator are stacked together, so it is going step by step. Like decorator 2, the output of decorator 2 is passed to the as a function to decorator 1. It means the wrapper is passed in this as a function in a decorator 1. So let's see what we get in a print output. I will pass. Okay, it will not return anything. Like first see, because we are not running anything. So it is not written anything. We need to call them. Okay, we need to call them because we get only wrapper. Yeah, if I call them, so you will get the same output as we get before. Okay, okay. I have to first. Okay, okay, okay. I got. Okay, okay. You have to. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We get same output. Okay. Here we are getting some different because of we have this decorator are attached. So this decorator is also called multiple times. That's why it is showing very weird output. Okay, but here I run the again, so we get the same output as we get the previously. So that is the beauty of the decorator. How can we use the each decorator that do some specific task, and we can club or stack together to increase the functionality or adding the behavior in the existing function. Okay, so this is just for this function is just for uh, showing how decorator work, but you have to use always this method. Okay, that is used widely. Okay, so what happened was we just only call them, then we get it. Yeah, if it is returning something, so like here I will write return, suppose I'm writing the hello world. So when we call them, so we will get some output. So I will store the this hello output in a out variable, and I will print the out. So what we get same output. Yeah. Okay, 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 we get okay. Yeah, instead of returning, because this function is giving some like what happened, I run again. First I clear this. Yeah, so what we get before after we are not getting anything because we are returning the hello world. Okay, we are not getting anything. Yeah, I will run same thing again. Yeah, because it is returning only, it is not printing. Yeah, you will see here 1 2 1 2 because this hello world came here. This hello world came here. Yeah, if I write what happen if I say hello give here it return only hello world, but it is not printing. That's why we are not able to see it. So if I want to see it, so I will write here print statement. Okay. Same for I will do same I do for with this one. Okay. Let's see. So here you will see hello world. Okay, this is two, and here I will pass only this. We're getting the none function because yeah, we get the required output. We are getting a none function because of we are no returning anything here. Okay, we get this output, and this output is passed here, and here what happened, and this wrapper is called fully. Okay, called this output, this is the output we get. We passed this as a function here. This came here. So we are just printing them. That's why we need to write a printing. Yeah, if it is returning something, then we have to write the print. Okay, that is the key difference. If you write a code and do see them, so you will able to understand more. Okay, I think you get some idea about it, and why do we stack the multiple decorator, because each decorator performs some specific function. We cannot club together into a single decorator. That's why we use the multiple decorators that are necessary for to enhancing the behavior of a function, or that is can be reused and added to the modular and clean programming. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and see you in next lecture.